Today is September 1st, 2019, and, well, today I built a marble run. Took only 2 hours, and we are actually, me and my dad, behind the camera, we are going to race, see who wins, because they actually end up in the same place. Well, not in the same place, but in the same place.
What do you use to build it?
I used paper, more paper, kind of like crafting paper, and tape, and also kind of like Hot Wheels tracks.
Okay, muy bien.
Right.
So here we go. We want to show how it works.
Yeah.
And Héctor is going to start over there.
Hello.
And I'm going to start over here. Alright, ready? And here we go.
Wait, what color is it?
And it goes like this. 1, 2, and here we go. And go! Oh!
Mine won, but yours got in the center.
This was very cool. Alright, let's try again.
Center, it's valuable.
Let's try again. But you see, this is amazing because Héctor was able to make two different things that run at the same time, so you can race. That is really cool. And let's take a look at this thing without the marbles, so we see here. First, this thing is, of course, we bought it, right? But anyways, starting in here, Héctor created this railing here that goes here, and he make all these little things like this to stop the marble from falling and so on. And then he used a little bit of package from something that we receive,
like a styrofoam
and so on. So little tiny things here and there. This is one of my favorite ones. The marble hits in here and gets to there. So it's a lot of ingenuity, engineering, and so on. All right, here we go. Ready? And let's start again. Ready? And I'm coming. And go.
I hear yours getting closer.
And here we go. And I won.
And
all right, one more. All right, ready?
Mine is white.
And mine is, let me see, it's, I have to give a little push at the beginning. Here we go. And mine is blue. Ready? 1, 2, and 3. I think you're going to win this time.
I don't know about that. And my wins.
There you go. And you won for a lot this time. Alright.
No.
Alright, let's race.
Oh.
Very quickly. Vámonos.
Mine is gray.
Mine is, I think, yeah, here you go.
Wait. Oh, what? I'll just.
Can you do it?
No.
Alright, let me start again. Alright.
There you go.
Ready?
Steady.
Set. Go.
Okay. We both started at the same time.
Let's see how it goes.
I'm feeling lucky. I'm feeling very lucky, actually.
And
I won!
That was really close.
Oh, and I got in the center.
So that's what the kind of things that Héctor does in here. It's pretty cool. Only using paper,
plain white paper,
scissors,
kind of like crafting paper,
some craft paper, and tape.
Yay! Oh. Tape.
Very good. All right. That's it.
Bye-bye.